right, cruise people, we're back to the port here in Cozumel. We're at the Iguana Park or something. Good God, they're everywhere. You see the one right there? The DelSol store in Cozumel. We got some cute t-shirts. We got a tote bag to go with it. That to that. Pretty cool.
Okay guys, ready for this? You won't believe so cool about this magic of DelSol. You see not too much colors on this t-shirt. Black and white, get some sunlight. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, check it out. DelSol store.
Good luck, everyone.
Great. Oh, there's the stripper pole from last year.
Two more.
That girl was so drunk. So yeah, Cozumel, always a good time. Port of Cozumel, headed out. Wah, wah, wah. Everybody keeps calling it the Carnival Valor. I'm like, English, y'all, it's Valor. But whatever. Sea day tomorrow, then back to New Orleans. We're staying the night in New Orleans on Thursday, and then flying to Fort Lauderdale, and then to Turks and Caicos on Friday. And then Saturday, we're flying to New York, and then Sunday, we're flying back to Roanoke. Oh, it's another crazy Aaron and Todd trip, but you guys love it. So if you're enjoying the content so far, leave us a comment down below, subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and hit the bell to get notified when we post new videos. Oh God, that's lovely, I love it. These guys, oh my God, too much tequila. So that's our room, there and there. Deck 0.
Deck 9, Lido.
Hey guys. Hey. So Aaron comes in the door, and usually there's a towel animal on the bed, and he's like, oh, there's no towel animal, he's slipping. And I turn on the lights. You didn't turn on the light, it's just there. There's our towel animal right there. The monkey hanging from the thing. Does that make you feel better?
That's really cute.
Yes, it is.
I've not seen a monkey.
We're gonna try to leave it as long as we can. And then that's where we just came from. So yeah. All right, so you guys can see out here, this is the northern coast of the Yucatan Peninsula. This is Cancún, Mexico, as seen from the Gulf. All right, guys, good morning. It is day 4. It is our last sea day. We got it this morning. I did some laundry. We went down and had breakfast. We just got back to the room, and look what we have. A towel animal.
That's so cute.
Speaking of towel animals, we're going to the class that they teach you how to make these towel animals. So that's going to be really exciting. So we'll see you there. We're on deck 9. We're going to the Lido to get a really quick snack.
At this time,
It's bright as hell out here in the Gulf of Mexico, but I'd rather be here than not. There's Eggs Benedict. Yum. You know that's my favorite. This will be good for now. One final glass of guava juice really quick. You can only get the guava juice at breakfast. You gotta make sure that when you come to the thing for breakfast, bring a Yeti, fill it up, and then it goes really good with some rum. That you bought on board, of course. So if y'all have never had Eggs Benedict, it's just like English muffin with a half-cooked egg and then some kind of cream and hollandaise sauce, but it's really good. And a few little sausages, some little piggies. So yeah, we're gonna eat this real quick and then go to the towel thing. That's our cruise director having the morning show up there. Alright, so we're in the Ivanhoe Theater. I hope they let me vlog. This is free promotion for them, so hopefully they do. People are so funny. It's like a castle.
Alright, so what I need you to do is
Elephant, y'all, elephant.
big towel and you're going to lay it out flat next to you, in front of you, wherever you have some space, you're going to lay it out flat. You can use the sides of the stage right over here if you like. The sides of the stage are open, feel free to use that area, or you can just use...
We're going to the stage, y'all.
So both long sides of the towel are folded over 4 inches towards the middle. Short side of your towel, and you are going to roll your towel into the middle. With that first short side, you are rolling your towel into the middle. And once you reach the middle, I want you to stop rolling. And then you're going to go ahead and roll the other short side of the towel into the middle as well, until they meet each other right in the middle. All right. Next is you are going to fold your towel in half with the open crease on the outside. The open crease on the outside. Very good, very good. Now what you're going to do, holding those 2 top corners, you are going to start rolling your towel at a downward diagonal towards the middle. So you're rolling those 2 top corners at a downward and inward diagonal. Keep going, keep going.
I rolled
You're
my beard
great.
into my towel. Ow, ow, ow. It's stuck in my beard.
All the way. You're gonna roll all the way into the middle. Feel free, we have our wonderful housekeeping team walking the room. Feel free to just give them a little wave, ask them for some help, and they will be happy to assist you. So, pull it down 3 inches. Now, as you pull that piece of towel down, you're pulling your elephant's ears down as well. Now, I want you to see this extra piece of towel on both. We're pinching it in the back. Are we all there? Because you look really good from up here. Now, the final step is that you are gently going to place your elephant's head onto your elephant's body. All right, and I see lots of great elephants coming to life over there. We're looking great. All right, now give yourself a round of applause because you just created your very first towel animal. All right. We have those pictures of our elephant. Now what I want you to do next, you can say goodbye to your elephant. Goodbye. And you can tear it apart. Thank you, everyone. You're all absolutely incredible, and you are now towel pulling professionals, so a massive congratulations to you. Give yourself a round of applause, everyone.
My little puppy dog. They're supposed to look like. Alright.
Very cute. Yeah, thank you.
So we're here at the Java, whatever it is, Java Coffee Bar on deck 5 right outside the casino. And we're gonna get some specialty coffees. I'm gonna get a Caribbean spiked coffee, which is coffee infused with Tia Maria Appleton rum with a sprinkle of nutmeg. That sounds divine for $7.50. Oh, and a complimentary pastries makes it all the better.
How are you supposed to get it with this? It's all the way over there.
You get the choice.
I gotta try it, right? Oh, it says swipe to play. 4 credits. Yeah. All right, some tips for the water slide. You cannot have any electronics, any kind of hair, you know, your hair up in a clip or any of that. You can't do any of that. Arms across the chest and you go down. All right, get ready to go. Ready to go? Oh yeah. How was it? It was nice. Water's really nice temperature too. How was it?
Gotta go again.
You lay down, make sure your body's flat, and then in the turns, your legs aren't going to bend, so you kind of lift them up a little bit to help bend the turn.
We had to go to the slide 14 times just to get 10 seconds of video. Next. All right, here we go, guys. Salt water. It's salt water. It wasn't bad. Ready to do it again? My big ass got kind of stuck there on the first turn. I'm like, oh shit. There. I'm like, where'd it go? Coming up in a little bit, we're gonna film a vlog on our 10 most essential things needed for a cruise. And we'll leave a link to that video up here. You can check that out next. All right, you guys, out here on the deck, on the balcony for one final sunset. And you see in the distance, the sun is just going down. So we're gonna head to dinner here in a bit and start packing up. But Look at that sunset, you guys. That's amazing. Right over the Gulf of Mexico. We're approaching the mouth of the Mississippi. And there it goes. It's gone. All right, guys, we'll see you in a bit. So one last shot before we leave. So you can see we've got a shrimp boat, a sailboat, and way out there is an oil rig. There's one there. There's a shrimp boat. And another shrimp boat. Gulf of Mexico, y'all.